How to put two tables side by side in Word. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step on how you can do it. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, you may open up the Word document in which you would like to put. So go over the insert from the top menu and look out for table and select up side by side table. So for example, two side like this. So first of all, select two of these, two boxes, and go over the insert again, and we're gonna put table in each of the boxes. So you can just go ahead and put out like how much layout you would like, for example, like this, and then select up the right side of the table again from the previous one, and go to the insert again, and select table, and put another table inside it like this. Now, once you've done that, you may just go ahead and select up the main table, the outside table like this, and we're gonna go ahead and clear the border of this. So go to this option right here, drop it down, and look for borders and shading. And once you do that, select the option of none from the borders, and then click on OK. And when you do that, you should be finding the tables side by side once you click on a blank document. So this is it. You may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.